And the drawing here was dated March 1972, initials KS. And I'm assuming this is this, which has no date on it, which I did when I was a patient in the hospital, 1970, or 71. Three faces there, three more there, big one here. Not sure what that is. All right, I've had this a long time. I did this in 1970 or 71. Well, it's dusty also. That's another story. And this here, these sketches might have been for the what do they call it? The ship masthead I made same time, sometime spring, summer, autumn 1970, early 71. Take a walk over here. Turn some lights on. It's kind of dark here. Can't really see it right here. Oh, hang on. Well, there is video footage of this. It's kind of blocked stuff here. The ship masthead I did, which is exhibited in a show at a now gone community gallery down near the Mount Baker light rail station and art space. And then it was up at the Seattle Center also. All right, there you have it for now.